I don't live with Jews. Let me tell you why. You see, in Israel, where I grew up, Arabs don't want to live with Jews, and Jews don't want to live with Arabs. It's called self-segregation, and you see it everywhere. In Washington, Paris, and London, the whites, blacks, and Muslims live separately. We humans live with people that look like us and share our culture because it's easier. Self-segregation is no one's fault, but it's dangerous.
Freedom first!
Because when we don't live together, we get scared of one another and end up hating each other. But it doesn't have to be this way. Some countries like Singapore made self-segregation illegal. We should fix self-segregation, so in the future, Muslim kids like me can grow up with Jewish friends. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.